If you want to see the progress that your students are making in the budget game, you can access this report by going to Reports and View Overall Student Progress under the Budget Game section. When you come to this page, which you can also access by clicking this button here from the Reports menu, you can see all of your students that have started playing the game, how many months they've completed, their current date in the game, and all of their different stats while they're playing. If you want to see more details, you can click this button here and you'll be able to see what actions they've taken, if they've put money in their savings account, what they've paid with their credit card, if they've got any bonus points, and student details. So this is basically the choices that they made at the beginning of the game about what their fixed expenses would be. If you'd like, you can also export this information to Excel. And if you have more than one class, always make sure to select the right one from the drop-down menu.